In which part of the Indian Constitution are fundamental rights enshrined? Correct answer, B. Part 3. Next question. The fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution are borrowed from which country? Correct answer, C. USA. Next question. Which articles in the Constitution deal with fundamental rights? Correct answer, A. Articles 12 to 35. Next question. How many categories of fundamental rights were originally provided by the Constitution? Correct answer, D. 7. Next question. Currently, how many fundamental rights are enjoyed by Indian citizens? Correct answer, B. 6. Next question. Which fundamental right was deleted by the 44th Amendment Act, 1978? Correct answer, A. Right to property. Next question. Which article is known as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, D. Article 32. Next question. Which article guarantees the abolition of untouchability? Correct answer, D. Article 17. Next question. Which fundamental right cannot be suspended even during a national emergency? Correct answer, C. Article 20 and 21st. Next question. Which article guarantees equality before law and equal protection of laws? Correct answer, A. Article 14. Next question. Right to education was added as a fundamental right under which article? Correct answer, D. Article 21A. Next question. Which article prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth? Correct answer, B. Article 15. Next question. Article 16 of the Indian Constitution deals with what? Correct answer, C. Equality of opportunity in public employment. Next question. Which article abolishes all titles except military and academic distinctions? Correct answer, D. Article 18. Next question. How many freedoms are guaranteed under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, A. 6. Next question. Which article covers the protection of life and personal liberty? Correct answer, B. Article 21. Next question. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor comes under which article? Correct answer, A. Article 23. Next question. Which article prohibits the employment of children below 14 years of age in factories? Correct answer, D. Article 24. Next question. Freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion is guaranteed by? Correct answer, B. Article 25. Next question. Which articles protect the cultural and educational rights of minorities? Correct answer, C. Articles 29 and 30. Next question. Who has the power to issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Correct answer, C. Both Supreme Court and High Courts. Next question. Which writ literally means we command? Correct answer, Yea, mandamus. Next question. Which writ is issued to release a person who has been unlawfully detained? Correct answer, B. Habeas corpus. Next question. Are fundamental rights justiciably enforceable in a court of law? Correct answer, Yea, yes. Next question. Which article defines the term state in the context of fundamental rights? Correct answer, D. Article 12. Next question. Which article states that laws inconsistent with fundamental rights are void? Correct answer, B. Article 13. Next question. Who is considered the guardian of fundamental rights in India? Correct answer, C. Judiciary. Next question. Which constitutional amendment reduced the voting age from 21 to 18 years? Correct answer, C. 61st Amendment. Next question. Fundamental rights available only to citizens of India and not to foreigners include? Correct answer, Yea, Articles 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30. Next question. Parliament can amend fundamental rights without altering the basic structure of the Constitution as ruled in which case? Correct answer, B. Keswananda Bharati case.